Olá, meus amores, tudo bem com vocês? Eu espero que sim. Começando mais um vídeo aqui no canal, e o vídeo de hoje vai ser faxina nessa geladeira aqui. Gente, essa geladeira não é minha, ela é de cliente, ela chegou aqui para conserto. E eu vou mostrar para vocês a situação que essa geladeira está. Eu confesso que nunca tinha visto uma geladeira nesse estado, gente, vocês vão se espantar também quando ver. Então eu vou dar uma geral nela pra mandar pro cliente ela de volta bem limpinha. E vou gravar tudo pra vocês acompanharem. Então se você ainda não for inscrito, se inscreva no meu canal, ative o sininho das notificações, deixe muito like e compartilhe com todos os seus amigos. Sem mais enrolação, bora lá pro vídeo!
just once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
you are only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like I, your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like I, your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like I, your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like I, your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, truly.
Gente, terminei agora de lavar as prateleiras da geladeira. E agora eu vou dando uma secadinha nelas e vou guardando na geladeira de volta. E eu vou colocar gravar para vocês acompanharem esse processo e depois eu mostro como que ficou o resultado final.
Make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like I, your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like I, your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like I, your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like I, your arms and stay with me, baby. Stay, 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 But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I
meus amores, esse foi o vídeo de hoje, espero muito que vocês tenham gostado. Se vocês gostaram, não esqueça de deixar o seu like, compartilhar com todos os seus amigos, se inscrever caso ainda não for inscrito no meu canal e ativar o sininho das notificações para não perder nenhum vídeo novo. Um grande beijo no coração de todos vocês e até o próximo vídeo!
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did? That you